This is not going to be a very long video, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make EASyPLUS tones. So first we're going to open up our Audacity. Once we open up our Audacity, we are going to go to our desktop. And if you have EasyKit, go to the Audio, EAS encoder, and then find. So once you're done encoding, it'll go to the output. And what you want to do is you want to take the MP3 for the best results. So first, you're going to delete some spacing about this much from the tones. Maybe even a little bit more. Not too much, but a little bit. Yep. Now on the EOM tones, just delete a little bit because there's a little bit of more spacing on this. Okay. Then you want to go to the effect called change pitch. Change it up by 0.1 semitone. Then you can scroll all the way down or just press H on your keyboard till you get high pass filter. Click this. And then what you want to do is in every thing, generate a tone, 0.2 amplitude, and it needs to be like almost this long, but there's not a lot of clipping, so you might have to go longer or shorter. So I'm gonna go a little bit shorter, try to do this much. Yeah, generate tone. And then what you want to do is when you bring it over here, you would click reverse. I'm going to go back to reverse. So then it should go. Now, obviously, you might be able to do a bit better than me, because I'm trying to just make this a quick video so I can get it uploaded. But this is basically relatively what you're doing. Keep doing that. I usually just copy and paste the clipping, but some people just take time and keep generating them to get a perfect thing. Then clip it on the attention tone. Then just reverse. Yada yada. And do the same thing on the EOM tones. Reverse that. Okay. I don't usually do this, but this is what the EASyPLUS tones thing says to do. I don't do this because to me it sounds too low quality, so this is what our tones sound like so far. So the actual EASyPLUS tones guide tells you to resample to 8,000 hertz. I mean, that sounds too low quality, but that's basically what you do. So yeah, that's how you make EASyPLUS tones. It's actually not that hard to do so. So yeah.